Hi guys, welcome to Power Cubicle Guy. Hope everyone is doing good out there. In today's show, we will create topics that reuse and build on existing content. Basically, we will use suggested topics to easily and quickly populate and build out a chatbot. This show is a continuation of the previous one where we built a chatbot from scratch and did some updation on the topics. If you remember, we added a new store as shown in this screen, and we added the address connected to the end of conversation. So let's dig in to see how we can leverage suggested topics, but before that, a small intro. Let's start to extract the content from the web pages. First, let's hide our bot, go to the topics and go to the suggested topics. So let's add a link here, which is the FAQ page of the Power Apps portal. Click on add and click on start to start the extraction process. So this could take several minutes depending on the complexity and number of web pages you added. So an alert at the top, you see that it's letting us know that the extraction is in process. And one point to note is you will not be able to add any more URLs while extraction is in process. So let's take a look at the page whose content you are extracting, the FAQs. So now you see a message at the top that 8 new topic suggestions have been added. So now let's go to the suggested tab. So now, since we already know we don't need locate the store topic because we created that in the previous show, we can delete that immediately. So we can hover over that pro for locate a store and click the delete button that appears. Click on that. So you see here a message, locate a store was deleted. Now to add a suggested topic to your existing ones, you can go here to any of the suggested topics and click add to existing topics. You won't see a preview of the topic and the topic will automatically remove from the list of suggested topics. So and to delete, as I already shown you, you can go to this delete icon and click on delete. Maybe you can choose any of the topics. We'll add this reset your password topic. Click on this one. So you see a message here, reset your password is getting added to the existing topics. So now you see it got successfully added. Now if you go to existing, you see by default the status is off. Now if you click on this topic, go to authoring canvas, you can see this is the trigger phrases, reset your password, and this is the message will be displayed, and after that it will be end of conversation. Now if you want to preview the topic suggestions, you have to click on that topic and this window will pop up, preview topic suggestions. So if we see here, there are 3 buttons at the bottom, add to topics and edit, add to topics and delete the suggestion. So delete suggestion will just delete the suggestion. So add to topics will directly add the suggested topics without making any changes, and add to topics and edit, it will show the authoring canvas window. So as you see, this topic is also turned off by default, right? When we have finished reviewing the suggested topics, we can come to this existing tab of the topics page, and for each of these topics we have to slide this status to turn on. You see it's turning on, reset your password, and we can also turn on returns and refund. So now these 2 topics are added to our bot. So let's test our bot with these 2 topics added. Let's type a message, returns and refund. So you see on the right hand side the topic was triggered with that returns and refund, and then the text message was displayed accordingly, and then it's going to the end of conversation. So did that answer your question? If you click on yes, so then it's going to the star rating feedback topics, right? So congratulations, you have successfully used the topic suggestions option to add the existing FAQs topics related to your website into your chatbot. Hope this video will help you guys to build more efficient chatbots. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys and see ya.